super excited. You're welcome to Mayowa Owolabi TV, your financial freedom platform that is here to help you make money, manage your money, and multiply money. And I'm really pumped up about today's video. We are talking about a project called Karat Combat. And if this is your first time you are watching this, coming on this channel, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and make sure you click on the notification bell so that you can get every notification when opportunities and updates like this come to you. And I'm going to be giving a lot this year because my goal is to help 1 million people this year to have access to the knowledge. See, one thing is to have money, another thing is to have the right knowledge. And as usual, I will be here to answer your questions and to help you get those things that you're really looking for. Guys, if you're not on the Mayowa Owolabi crypto community, the general Telegram group, you want to make sure you click on the Telegram group link below because you don't want to miss any update as we move in more closer to the Bitcoin halving that is coming up in the month of April. So this project was given in our crypto community in July last year, that's 2023. And one of the beauty about this project is the fact that I love what this project has the capacity to do. And I'm really pumped up about this project because when I first gave it to the people in our community, people were like, where will this project go to? So exactly 14th of July 2023, I mentioned in our investment crypto community rather that people should go buy the Karat project. Then it was at around 0.009, and I said that this project, if you put in $100 in this project as at that time, okay, not now again, right now, guys. If you put in $100 in this project at that time, you will be given about 100,000 tokens, about over 100,000 tokens. And guess what? If this project does $1, you've done $100,000. If this project does 50 cents, you have done $55,000. That is basically how I approach the cryptocurrency market. I don't just want to buy and buy because I want to buy. I buy positioning myself to make an average of $50,000 to $100,000 if a project does $1 or $10. And that's the way you want to scale up when it comes to cryptocurrency. So when I gave this project, one of the advantages I said it in our community, the platform where you can buy it, and the rest is history. So why did we buy this project? Number one, I told you, if you've been following me, I don't buy projects without investors. I don't buy projects that has exposure to bigger funds. And if you go to the fundraising of Karat project, you will agree with me that they've done amazingly well. They raised so much money. They did $30,000 from Gate.io. They did $1 million from DAO Maker. They did $2 million from another $2 million from DAO Maker, and they did $18 million from several top investors. Guess what? About 20 people, 20 investors invested. Ash Capital, Delphi Digital, BitKill Capital. These are amazing top investors when it comes to VC space in the cryptocurrency industry. And it also has a lot of angel investors, which really got my attention. However, that a project is good does not mean you are buying at the right time. You also want to consider what is happening in the market that will make you to buy. So I see a lot of fundamental investors, what they just check out for is the VCs, the tokenomics, and the rest. But guys, you also want to honor the sentiment and honor even the technical analysis. So if you go to the overview, we're going to be seeing the technical analysis of this project. And guess what? If you go to weekly chart, you will see how this project took off below 0.009 when I told our community to buy. And guess what? Right now, this particular project gave us has given us already over 6 or 800%. So what does this mean? It means that 800% is a good return. And I remember I even gave some of the people that work with me, and I also announced this project also on our Thursday session. On our Thursday sessions, every Thursday 2 p.m. West African time, I come online to help a lot of you to be able to position your portfolio. I've been doing that for about 3 years right now. Even when the bull run was on, even when the bear market was done, I kept on showing up to let you know that it is about consistency. It's not just about making quick money. Okay, so this project, I gave it to us even during the free webinar. I think I gave it to us around one below. That's at 0.001. So if you bought at 0.001, currently you would have made good 350%, which is not bad. That's a good 3x. But if you're in the premium community, you would have done an average of 7x. 7x, if you put $1,000, that is $7,000. If you put $100, that is $700 in less than 6 months, which is not bad at all. And that's the beauty of cryptocurrency. You see, currently the market cap is around 43 million, which is still around my low cap segment, which is not bad. But the fact that it has investors, is a low cap project, not extremely low, but not a bad one at all. I feel that there's a lot of us can do in here. Now, guess what? This project will be unlocking some of its tokens on the 12th of February. So if you have 5x, 7x, you want to take some partials because some investors will be giving some tokens, and this could lead to some pullbacks. But for me, I don't want to really sell off projects like that. My goal is to acquire more tokens that can give me minimum 100 to 200,000 of any project that I'm driving in 2024 bull run. And it's a way to go because you don't just want to keep buying any type of project. You want to buy the right type of project. So Mr. Mayowa, now that you are telling me or telling us and it's late, there's nothing you can do right now to be patient. So if you take this right now to the technical base, let's do some technical analysis here right now. If you do some technical analysis here right now, you go to the weekly chart. Okay, you don't buy on the impulse. If you have been following me in the forex space or any of the technical analysis space, I don't like to buy an impulse. Okay, I don't like to buy an impulse. So the next thing you can do right now is to wait for a retracement. You want to wait for a retracement, minimum 30% to 50% retracement, so that you can join the journey. Okay, I strongly feel that this project can do 10 cents. Okay, if it does 10 cents, it's not a bad transaction at all. And it's possible that it does $1. And if it does $1, you can imagine what a lot of people will be making. So to trade on this project, to invest in this project, if you have not, I will recommend that you wait for the market to pull back down to minimum 0.007 and 0.001, sorry, so that one can now join this journey to the top. But don't buy on impulse. It's not a smart way of buying because you're going to have so many coins. Imagine if you buy where it is currently with $100 right now, 0.00005. So that's 20,000 tokens, which is not bad. Okay, which is not bad. But apparently, if you buy at where I'm recommending for you to buy, you're going to be buying at 0.001. That will give you 100,000 tokens. So imagine 20,000 tokens to 100,000 tokens. I'm sure you prefer the 100,000 tokens. So take your time, be patient, don't buy on impulse, and you can join just once you see that kind of retracement, so I can get more tokens and we are good to go. So where do I think this project can go to? If this project does 100x, we are currently at 43 million. If it does one more zero, that's if it does 200, that's 430 million. If it does 4 billion, this project can deliver what we are looking for. 4 billion is not a bad thing at all. Even at the all-time high, okay, I don't have the all-time high of the previous, okay, all-time high. You see, the all-time high of the market cap is 48x, and it's a project that is entirely new. So it was launched, when was that? Less than a year ago. Okay, it was launched 2003. It was launched 2003. It was launched 2003 May. Okay, and we bought it in July 2023, and the rest is history. So stay tuned for more. If you want me to do any technical analysis, make sure you drop it in the comment box, because I will be glad to do a lot of technical analysis, because there's so much project that the cryptocurrency market is offering us, but it is not the right time to just buy so many of them. You want to wait for some pullbacks. So if you have any project like that you want me to check, make sure you put that in the comment box. I will take my time to pull up the technical analysis, possibly to do some fundamentals around it, and I look forward to your support. Don't forget to click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell, so that you can get more updates immediately we drop it, guys. I look forward to your success, guys. I'll see you at the top and not from the top, because the floor is crowded. I'll see you. Talk to you soon.